Hello, good day. I'm here to share with you guys how to replace a headlight bulb sa Toyota Wigo. So, yeah, this is only based on my experience. So, you, you can share or comment kung ano man ang additional inputs nyo. It will be much appreciated. So, going to replacing the bulb. Actually, madali lang siya. It's just a simple uh, plug and play. So, for the first time na gagawin to, all you need to do is, if you can see the wires there, connector siya na nakakabit sa likod ng rubber. All you need to do is just remove it. Okay. So, kung first time mo siyang tatanggalin, medyo mahirap siya. So, kailangan mo lang ng konting effort or konting pwersa para tanggalin siya. But don't worry, hindi naman siya masisira. Once you snap it out, matatanggal naman agad siya. And then, yung rubber, yung nagko-cover dun sa bulb, you just need to pull it out as well, like this. And then you would see the 3 terminals ng bulb. So, just one step closer para matanggal na lang siya. As you will see, there's a I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like a spring na kapag may makikita kang small levers siya na pwede mo siyang i-push and then release it, and then once you release it, you can freely remove the bulb. So sa mga nagtatanong anong klaseng bulb siya, is an H4 12 volts, 60/55 watts. So any H4 will do. I think sa Vios pwede siya. Ganito rin yung bulb na ginagamit nila, but I'm not exactly sure. But for Wigo, this is the kind of bulb that we can buy. Kasi yung purpose nga ng video na to is to help the viewers na makatipid, since it's not that hard to replace the headlight bulb. So sa kasa, I'm not sure kung magkano siya, pero for sure if you do it on your own, malaki matitipid mo. So here we go. So balik natin siya, just like paano natin siya tinanggal. For simple procedure lang kung paano siya, kunyari papalitan mo siya, kunyari ito yung bagong bulb mo. So okay, you will see nakaposition na siya. Then you put back the lever. Make sure na naka-lock siya para talaga naka-position siya, yung hindi gumagalaw. And then put this back on. So siguro maglagay na lang kayo ng marker para alam natin kung saan siya exactly, kung paano natin siya tinanggal. Yun, hindi natin siya babalik. But in my case, yung palatandaan ko is this one, itong marker na to. So yun yung nakalagay sa ibabaw kanina, so ganun ko rin siya ibabalik. So just snap it on. You would hear mararamdaman mo naman, or you would hear something na parang pumasok na siya entirely. And then last is the connector. Okay, so there you have it. So same thing goes din on the other side. Ganun lang din po siya. So that's it. So Hopefully it will help our fellow Toyota Wigo owners to how to replace their headlight, yung headlight bulb. And till next time, thanks.